lived a boy named Finn, with a heart made of wood, where joy couldn't begin. He watched other children, their laughter like songs, but his heart felt the silence where it didn't belong. Oh, Finn with a wooden heart, searching for a start, to feel the joy and warmth that sets a soul apart. Listen to the whispers deep inside your core. Awaken to your truth, let your spirit soar. One morning by the forest, where secrets softly lay, Finn met a wise old woman with eyes of a gentle day. She gave him a mirror to look beyond the wood and find his heart's true whisper where his dreams stood. Oh, Finn with the wooden heart, searching for a start, to feel the joy and warmth that sets a soul apart. Listen to the whispers deep inside your core. Awaken to your truth, let your spirit soar. Close your eyes and listen to the truth that lies within, a connection to the cosmos where the magic begins. Feel the transformation as your heart begins to beat. Find the joy and laughter beneath your feet. Now Finn's heart is alive, no longer cold and still, filled with joy and laughter, his life a wondrous thrill. He walks the village smiling, sharing what he learned, in every heart and soul a fire of joy burned. Oh, Finn with a wooden heart found his place to start, in the warmth and joy that sets a soul apart. Now he hears the whispers deep inside his core, his heart alive and free forevermore. A tale of wooden heart and whispers of the night invites us all to listen to our own heart's light. In the dust of wisdom, find the grace and joy